CSE.
I'm Ananya Singh, CSE, and I'm from Delhi.
CSE I need AIDS. CSE I need AIDS.
Hi, I'm Bhavya from CSC, also from Punjab.
My name is Heet Shah. I'm from CSE.
नाम भूल गया भाई.
Trishanu Mazumdar, CSE, and I'm a bong from Hyderabad.
भाई दो ग्रामेटिकल मिस्टेक. लिटरली
Bong बोला भाई B-O-N-G.
बॉन्ग. अच्छा बॉन्ग.
Hi, I'm Trishanu Mazumdar, a Bengali from Hyderabad.
काला जादू भाई.
हाँ आता है भाई. बौना बनना है क्या तुम लोगों को?
BTech AIDS. Rachit from Mirzapur.
अरे यार.
I'm Pushyajan. I am from BTech CSC from Udaipur.
I'm Panav, CS in Bangalore.
Ayan, CSE, Guna, MP.
आरुष गुप्ता, DSAI.
Krish Soni, CSE. Myself Pratham Berde, CSC, and I'm from Pune.
I'm Tehzeeb, I'm in CSE, I'm from Haryana. I'm a Jat.
मेरा नाम कुशमन है और मैं हिमाचल से हूँ. मोमोज नहीं आते भाई मेरे को.
So I'm Bharat. I'm in EC. I'm from Karnataka.
I'm Aditya, EC, Uttarakhand. I'm Arjun from Tamil Nadu and I have AIDS. I'm Vishnu from Hyderabad. पैसा, बहुत सारा पैसा, पैसा ही पैसा, सिर्फ पैसा. Drugs.
Expectations धोखा दे गई.
Placements and traffic.
For IIITB, surely not the gender ratio. For Bangalore, surely the gender ratio.
It's the city where everyone's in a rush but nothing gets done.
Expectations from IIITB. जितनी फीस दिए कम से कम उतने पैसे तो मिल ही जाए 4 साल बाद. और बैंगलोर से टुपोला बैडी पर हालात तो लग नहीं रहे अभी.
Try to reach Bangalore airport within 2 hours. Not possible, but sure.
Expectation भाई कुछ नहीं है. Family business में जाऊँगा मैं तो.
पैसा होगा.
My expectation from IIIT Bangalore, just honestly a pretty good college life.
No expectations.
Night out.
9 दिन नवरात्रि हो जाए बड़ी बात है भाई.
Weather is so confusing. I carry sunscreen, umbrella, and sweater all at once.
Not to go bald after 4 years.
I mean, Bangalore, city hub. We see me, anything can happen. Car accidents.
Acha package.
I expect that within the next few years, Foodcom gets a little bit more, budget, and they give extra dessert. Stop conjuicing on the gulab jamun. Give me one more.
Pizza.
Zinda bach jaye bas.
Company with revenue 6-9 lakhs.
Insomnia.
पर गुजरात लेवल की नवरात्रि नहीं होगी. Okay, fine. Panav's room.
Ramanujan academic block.
Explore myself.
Boys night out, like some 30 boys in one room.
भास्करा बिल्डिंग की छत पे जाना है.
क्या करने?
ऐसे ही.
Try and break the curfew timings of the college.
Sneak out with friends.
Play some corridor cricket in hostel.
Rajma chawal, goated.
I would say ice cream or bread because they can't mess it up.
Rasam.
Not gonna lie, the lemon juice is mad smacking, bro. That shit's sexy. Yeah.
The lemon juice has no lemon in it.
Probably ice cream क्योंकि वही नहीं बनाते बाकी सब तो यही बनाते हैं.
मैस में कुछ नहीं मिलता है यहाँ पे. टक शॉप ये जो है.
Butterscotch milkshake या strawberry milkshake.
Water because it's the safest.
Butter chicken. Best.
कभी-कभी पनीर और आइसक्रीम हर समय.
Guys, paneer pepper fry.
Dahi.
Gobi.
Paneer pari with karatha.
We love the puliogre here.
Bro, puliogre shit.
It is good.
That is not puliogre. That can't be called puliogre. Yeah, lassi is way too good. It's.
John words?
You can have my lassi.
Chole bhature. Whatever's in the tuck shop.
Oh, paneer pepper fry. In the mess, I love the curd, bro.
हफ्ते में एक बार समोसा चाट नसीब हो जाए बस वही चाहिए. Thank you.
What do you wanna get into?
Lean in.
वो तो women tech club है.
पता है.
Zens या कैंप में.
Impulse.
Camp for that sweet placement. Parvaz.
Astronomy club.
Camp, DebSoc, which is a debate club, or any club that will take me to tournaments.
Symphony. Recruit guys, please.
Impulse, please ले लो. Clubs join करने होते.
Impulse the dance club. Wanna be my chammak chillo.
The club that gives the best after parties.
किमाया।
The club that has the most girls.
छायाचित्र में ज्वाइन होना है प्लीज। छायाचित्र वाले अगर देख रहे हो तो ले लो प्लीज।
I would love to join Zens and Camp because I'm very passionate about coding.
Camp. I really wanted to get into a media club, so I'm hoping for Chayachitra.
You hope.
Gymcom.
जिस क्लब में लड़कियां सबसे ज्यादा है उसमें ले लो।
Zens.
एकदम गरबा सिखा दूंगा भाई, प्लीज ले लो। डांस करना है मुझे।
गरबा मास्टर है भाई, मुंबई स्टाइल।
कैरियोके नाइट, मजेदार।
जूनियर सीनियर इंटरैक्शन।
My favorite event was sports day because I cooked everyone in basketball.
That freshie night where there were games.
डीजे नाइट, ऑल्दो बेसमेंट में थी पर इट वाज डैम गुड।
The sports tournament was also very nice.
ई-स्पोर्ट्स।
परवाज।
भाई esports nights.
Freshie Fest. I had 0 points.
रैम्पोक भाई, यहाँ का रैम्पोक आप देखोगे ना, क्रेजी भाई, क्रेजी।
लॉन्डो से भरा हुआ है।
डीजे नाइट भाई, डीजे नाइट फुल ऑफ टेस्टोस्टेरोन ब्रो।
रियल भाई डीजे नाइट कुत्तों के जैसे नाचा था।
Sure.
One good thing about this college is seniors are very good. I mean, they are very approachable and very good.
Its size 6.9 acre size.
I love Siddharth Bhaiya. If you're watching this, return my pants. Some questions are better left unanswered.
इवान भैया, the परवाज goated guy.
I like Saurav Anna and Sanjay Anna.
विशुदा दीदी, शिवे दीदी, गौतम भैया।
Harshit Khattar. Harshit Khattar. Harshit Khattar. Harshit Khattar. Our Buzurg.
Oh my God, bro. Oh hell no, man.
Has to be Shashank भैया। He's too cool. He has too much aura, man.
Definitely Pranava Bhaiya. Truly the goat.
प्रणवा भैया, चिल गाय।
Favorite seniors वैसे काफी सारे हैं.
Can't take any name.
Sanvi didi, chill didi.
यश भैया।
My favorite senior is Akshay Bhaiya because I love his YouTube videos. Subscribe to Akshay Films.
Yash Bhaiya.
Yash Bhaiya. His aura is very good. I mean,
Akshay Bhaiya and Saurav Bhaiya as well.
he does very, he hosts every event very good.
So मैं किसी का नाम नहीं लेना चाहूँगा अभी.
सेम भाई, बहुत सारे फेवरेट सीनियर है। विवाद हो जाएगा अगर किसी एक का नाम ले लिया तो भारी हो जाएगा मेरे को कॉलेज में रहने के लिए।
सबसे हेल्पफुल तो अक्षय भैया है।
दशवीर भैया और भावेश भैया. They're nice.
इवान भैया।
क्या बोल रहा हूँ ना मैं, लेफ्ट पर। लीलावती में गलती से भी कभी एंटर मत कर देना, फंसोगे बहुत बुरा वाला।
बस 3 बारी कर्फ्यू तोड़ दो महीने में बहुत है.
हाँ ठीक है, बस ये बताना चाहेंगे।
सीनियर्स की खुद की बजी पड़ी है, हमें क्या एडवाइस देंगे।
तू तो गया बेटे।
जो वाईफाई राउटर है उस पे पुल-अप्स नहीं करने चाहिए.
मैं अपने कान ही ला सकती हूँ बिना हाथ लगाए।
Saying you will randomly find me taking a bath at 3 AM.
टैलेंट नहीं है इसलिए तो जेई की है.
ਹੱਸਦੇ ਚਿਹਰਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਦੇ ਕੋਈ ਤਕਲੀਫ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ।
I can touch the nose with my tongue.
ये कहाँ से टैलेंट आया मैं नहीं बताऊंगा.
मैं अपनी दोनों आईब्रोज अलग से रेज कर सकता हूँ।
मैं हुला हूँ बहुत बढ़िया से घुमा सकता हूँ।
I can type at 140 words per minute.
I'm really good at spotting lookalikes.
I can make people around me gay. I can move my ears without touching it.
You too, sir. Digital design, guys. The sir is very, very cute. Very cute too, very cute.
Probability. Fun class. मजा आ जाता है.
इकोनॉमिक्स भाई बस बैठना होता है क्लास में।
Digital design, our professor is very good. Probability.
Valsala ma'am, English.
Physical education.
Economics and his favorite scenario.
English ma'am.
Economics is the best.
Probability.
Economics. Professor so nice.
Probability. Math is love यार, love.
Economics professor, he's the goat. You can't find anyone better than him.
Probability.
Goated sir.
English, and I will not mention the reason.
I like probability because it's the only thing I pay attention in.
उस बिहारी का नाम क्या है?
पनावार जी.
I feel like Atra.
आत्रेया या.
Not me. हमारा जो तीसरा रूममेट है वो रैंडमली रूम में एंटर करते वक्त मोन करता है।
एक तो भाई 12 घंटे सोता है, 12 घंटे मतलब पूरे दिन सोता ही मिलेगा वो, आप रूम में आओगे तो। नोबिता 2.0 राइट।
हमारा तो पूरा रूम 12 घंटे सोता है।
भाई इस कॉलेज में सब सो ही रहे, बैकलॉग लग गया सबका अच्छा वाला।
मैं तो जानता भी नहीं हूँ कौन है।
ऐसी हरकतें करते हैं मैं कैमरे में बता भी नहीं सकता.
मेरे रूम में अंडरवेयर हर जगह टंगा होता है.
मेरा रूममेट सोता है तो टेंट जैसा बन जाता है कैसा।
मेरा रूममेट सपने में वैलोरेंट खेलता है और सपनों में गाली भी देता है ना वो.
यार मैं अपने रूम में रहता ही नहीं हूँ.
बंदा किसी का भी खराब नहीं बोल सकता, उसका रिव्यू सबके लिए जेन्युइन है, किसी पे गुस्सा नहीं आता भाई को.
मेरे रूम में पड़ा रहता है.
Arjun, what do you expect from Bangalore? You're from Tamil Nadu.
From Tamil. Well, what I expect, I will try to be a good boy. That's it.
Wait, one second. Define good boy.
The mama boy.
Boy, the boy who's into mamas. Arjun, okay, let's let Arjun just think of that. Yeah, it's fine.
Let that sink in.
Let that sink in.
Let that sink in.
What would Bangalore is good, but then Hyderabad is better. I mean, Hyderabad is way better because yo. See, okay, now we need to know Vishnu's opinion of Bangalore. Bangalore is nice, but then Hyderabad is way better.
No.
I'll tell you why.
No.
Hyderabad is better.
Uttarakhand is the best. Hello.
Look, Hyderabad is the best. Baskets, man.
Why?
I'll tell you why. Because they've got all the Hyderabadis.
I'm okay, bro. I'm okay. I was like, just पानी नहीं मिला, so I was like down. चक्कर आ गया भाई, उसको चक्कर आया, and he was moaning. He was literally moaning on the floor, भाई. He was so please be careful who you choose as roommates.
I swear like 10 times in Hindi and English.
Swagged, Ananya. Swagged. We have good auto people. I want them to start using, whenever you go on an auto, they do not use the flyover. I cannot get on time.
That is so true.
They cannot use the flyover, otherwise they'll topple.
What do you mean?
You're gonna break that. He was using RBD and all to explain why autos don't go on.
Hey, we've had enough of our videos.
Use the mic.
Say continue.
See, the thing is, autos cannot go over the flyover because they topple.
Right. The H is greater than the B by 2 mu. Exactly.
Yeah. Yes.
Shut up.
So what? Okay, see, regarding the gym, it's nice and all that, but I believe women should be allowed in the men's gym.
Valid.
What do you mean valid?
See. What purpose? Okay. See.
No.
See, in Ananya's defense, according to her, the women's gym is really bad.
Listen. Oh, guys, please be nice and like be decent, please. I want women in the men's gym. Even I want women in the men's gym. No, because I'm not gonna be the only one in the men's gym.
It's all for equality, guys.
All for equality.
Yeah, I know.
All for equality.
Bye guys. Bye.
Sponsored by Coca-Cola.
Pack up. Chalo. Bye.
Pack up.